Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to carbon copy another email user in Gmail. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So basically, carbon copying allows you to send a copy of your email to someone who's not necessarily a recipient in the to field, but that you'd rather still be able to receive the email and that everyone can see that they also received the email that are included on the email chain. So pretty straightforward process, guys. You just would select the to field, and then once you've selected that, again, you might have to click on the recipients in order to actually open that up. And then you should see a CC button over here on the right side here. This says Add CC Recipients. You can also tap the Control Shift and C key combination on your keyboard as well to open up that option. Once you select that, a new field should appear underneath, in which case now you can go ahead and either type in or copy and paste the email addresses you want to carbon copy onto this message. And that is pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.